Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's V8. That's what I'm working on today. I just replaced the IAC valve, idle air control valve, on the 5.2. It's right on the back of the throttle body, right there. What was going on was, it's been going on for like a year at least, but I was having these idle issues where I would start it up and it would just, the idle would go up to like 1500 RPMs and it would just stay there unless I turned it off and started again, or sometimes it would go back to normal by itself. And then other times it would stall at a stop sign. So it was doing that yesterday, so I just said enough's enough. But this is what the old one looked like, and you can see the point right here is sticking out a lot more than what a normal one should be. It should be sticking up to right about there. This one's fully out, so it's broken. So I'm hoping that this fixes the idle issue. Put it all back together, put the intake back on, and start it up, see if it fixed it. Peace to everyone out there. Hope everybody's doing well. Still got the burners on the rear. A couple of more burnouts. These will be done. Definitely got a few good ones left though. Alright, I'm gonna be back with another one, starting it up. Peace.